Good morning. It is Saturday, April 3rd, and today I am gonna go see my dad and I'm gonna go meet his girlfriend for the first time. Very excited, very nervous. We're gonna have a little picnic on the beach, so it's gonna be fun. I got some new Ferks from Target because mine were like absolutely disgusting. They're literally so comfortable. I've been making my own vanilla lattes here at home and they're so much better. Like now that I started making them here, we went to Starbucks and it like did not taste good at all when I got one, so I'm just using the Torani vanilla syrup and I just put like a splash in there. And it is, but now I'm slightly addicted to it, so I'm drinking it like every single day, and that's probably not good for me, especially since I'm adding milk in it. I'm a little bit lactose intolerant. I think everybody is, so it's not good.
Women's Month, bitch. That's counterintuitive, isn't it?
Stupid. Good morning. I am so sorry I didn't really film yesterday. It was my first time meeting my dad's girlfriend and I didn't want to like whip the camera out and make it uncomfortable. I did take a little clips here and there of the scenery and stuff that we went to, which was super nice. We actually went to a restaurant and that was the first time I've been to a restaurant since COVID started. It was actually perfect because there was like literally nobody there. We were the only ones eating there at the time. Some people showed up and they went to a table like a little ways away. So we were like pretty much by ourselves the whole time and it was perfect. So I didn't feel super uncomfortable or nervous or anything like that. I was nervous to begin with because like I said, I haven't eaten at a restaurant since COVID started. So I was like kind of freaking out, but everything was fine. And then we went to like the little lookout view of the ocean, which was really pretty. And then we drove down to Palos Verdes and they had this other little like lookout area and it was so gorgeous. But yeah, basically that's all that we did yesterday, and then I came home and I hung out with Robert. So yeah, now it is the next day and I'm just gonna start cleaning the room. It is a mess. And just get on with my day. Nothing is planned. Robert is exhausted from work, so we're just not gonna do anything this weekend. I do need to go to the store, but that is it. That is all. Oh, I might make a quiche today. I love quiche. That is like one of my favorite things ever in the world. So I might make one later so that we can have it throughout the week for breakfast. Ah, I love quiche. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later after the room is clean and I don't look like a crazy person. Okay, I know I said that I was going to get back on here when I looked less crazy, but what did you just eat? Tyson just ate something. Hold on. Tyson, what? What did you just do? I don't know what he could have eaten because I just like cleaned the whole room. But anyways, I just finished cleaning and I helped around the house a little bit. So I got my coffee here and then I got my 2 burritos. I've been making breakfast for Robert and I throughout the week and it's usually just like a hash of like potatoes, sausage, eggs, onions, and then he gets bacon and cheese. I don't like bacon and cheese. I just add those to his and then I always make mine into a burrito. He just has his like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat the rest of the breakfast that I have before it goes bad and gonna watch some TV and then maybe, just maybe, I'll do my makeup. Maybe. Actually, yeah, probably. It'll probably happen, so. Hello. It is later in the day. It is evening time now. Well, it's almost evening time now. Robert and I were just chilling all day watching TV. I was doing some studying, and now we are gonna go and wash the cars. Mine is pretty disgusting. I usually don't keep up with that. So today we're gonna go ahead and wash them suckers. And that's it. That's our Sunday for you. Good morning, good afternoon. It is the next day now. It is Monday. I do apologize, this vlog is all over the place, but I guess that's on brand because every single vlog that I've put on this channel so far has been just crazy town. Clearly I just got out of the shower, so looking really cute. And I made a quiche last night, which I am very proud of. This is my second time making it. I used a different recipe this time, and it came out kind of interesting. Not like any quiche that I've ever had before. The recipe said to leave it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Mine wasn't done at that point, so I left it in for a little bit longer, like 50 minutes, around there. And it said to take it out when the edges are set but the middle is still just a little bit jiggly. So I took it out at the right time, exactly what the recipe said, and I left it in the fridge overnight so I can eat it this morning. And I took one piece out, I heated it up, but it's kind of like, I'll show you. See, there's like goo coming out of there. It's kind of like gelatin. Like it's like pudding or something. I've never had a quiche like that, so I hope it's fully baked through. I don't know. I haven't. My mom used to bake quiches for us all the time, and it was my favorite. It's still like my favorite breakfast food, but I can't remember what the texture was, and I really don't remember eating a quiche with like a pudding gelatin like texture. So I'm gonna take like 2 more pieces out. I'm gonna heat them in the oven and just see how they turn out. It tastes amazing, but just the texture is throwing me off. I don't know, it's weird. I also made these little egg muffins for Robert last night. I did kind of overbake them a little bit, like the egg is kind of overcooked. But other than that, they taste really good, really good. Maybe just a little salty because there's bacon and salt in there. Maybe I should have just left the salt out, but pretty good. I made a few other things for Robert's lunch too, and I would have filmed everything, but I was doing this at like 9 p.m. last night, and I just like wanted to get it done. It literally took forever, but it was fun. I love cooking. I like trying new things, but it's just there's so much trial and error, like with those egg muffin thingies. I'll probably be able to do better next time. This was my second time making them, but the first time I made them was a while ago, so I didn't follow the same recipe. Yeah, they taste good, but I think they just need a little bit of work. Same with the quiche. Is that something that you guys would be interested in? Seeing like little cooking videos? I don't have any of my own recipes. I am not a chef. I'm still just learning how to cook. But if that's something that you guys would want to see, I could do little cook with me videos. Just following little like Pinterest recipes or something. Okay, so I only put it in there for about 10 minutes. I didn't want to do it too long, but I just wanted to see if the texture would change, and it's still like pretty gelatiny, pudding-esque. I know it's gonna taste the same, and I kind of ruined it taking it off of the baking sheet, but well, I just wanted to see if it would change. I guess it's just the recipe that I followed that was weird. It's a little bit later in the day now. I wanted to show you guys. Sorry, Tyson needs to go outside. Robert's parents have some extra white paint from when they painted this room. So this is the color that they have extra of. And I really, really want to paint this room, but it is gonna be seriously a process. Like it's gonna take so long and a lot of work. you could see all the dots on the wall. I did go ahead and spackle everything already, and the panels on the walls are so dark. I don't know if I would need a primer. I'm assuming I would. So I haven't done anything yet. Obviously it's still the same color, but I do have like a whole kit right here. But yeah, I really want to paint this room. I don't know how long it's been this color, but it's been this color since before I got here. And yeah, I just think it needs to be light and bright because it will totally just like open up this space completely, and it will just match with everything more. It'll totally match with everything more. So I think it's a good idea. I want to just do like a little bit here and there on my lunch breaks, but it's just because I have to move everything. That's the issue. Like, we have so much stuff in here. It's gonna be difficult. Moving the bed and the dresser is the worst part because this bed is so heavy and there's just like stuff like just shoved underneath there. And then the dresser is just super heavy too. So I don't know, maybe this weekend, I know Robert's gonna work on his car this weekend, so maybe while he's doing that I could just paint maybe just one wall or something and just do it gradually. It's something that I really want to do soon. I'm just over this color. But I'm the type of person that just needs to like change things every so often. I just like get bored at looking at the same thing and I just need to switch it up. I love the things that we have on the walls right now. Like all that stuff. But it's just totally like placed weird and we just need to kind of like fix it. So I'll take everything down, paint, fix the alignment of all the frames and the pictures and everything. Also, Robert and his dad do want to remove these panels over here just because they are super old and you can see they're kind of like splitting and stuff, and they want to just drywall the whole room. But I love these panels. I think it adds a lot of character into this room and it's different. Like, none of the other rooms in this house have this, so I think it would be really cool to keep it. I know there's some issues with the wood, like on the bottom, like there's some chips and stuff like that. And if they are gonna drywall it, I know it's not gonna happen for a while, so that's why I just want to paint it for now, just so I could, you know, have a different view in this room, if that makes sense. Hello everyone. I was just editing the vlog and I realized that again, I did not film a goodnight ending video. So I am very sorry. I am like the queen of forgetting that. So I do apologize. But I just wanted to hop on here and say thank you guys for watching. I really hope you liked this one. There were some silly little moments. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys next time. Bye.